Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about some more important methods of set. In my previous video, I also discussed about like how to create a set, add all method, remove all method, contains method, size method, right? So in this video, I'll discuss about isEmpty method, retain all method, contains all method, toArray method, and clear method. Okay, so let's get started. So at first, I'll start with isEmpty method. isEmpty method will give us always boolean value. If any particular HashSet is totally empty, it means that this isEmpty method will give us true. Otherwise, this isEmpty method will give us false. Empty means in that particular HashSet they don't have any element. If they don't have any element in that particular HashSet, in that case this isEmpty method will give us true. Okay, if that particular HashSet they have some element, it means that this isEmpty method will give us false. Okay, like if I use this isEmpty method for this HashSet, then obviously this isEmpty method will give us false. Why so? Because we have already added these 5 elements in our HashSet. It means that this HashSet is not empty, right? That's why if we use this isEmpty method for HashSet, it will give us false. Okay, like see this one also. Then HS dot is empty. Okay, if I just run it, then you can see it will give us false, right? I think first method is totally clear. So next method is retain all method. Retain all method, it will give that elements, okay, and it will remove all the other elements. Okay, like it is just a reverse of remove all method. Remove all method means it will remove all that particular element and will give all the other elements. But retain all method, it will retain that element, it will like give that element and it will remove all the other elements. Okay, suppose okay, let me just explain this method with an example, then you will get it better. Like here I am using retain all method for HashSet, like retain all. Okay, and then you have to specify one collection. Why so? Because we are using retain all. Whenever you are using all, it means that you have to specify one collection, not like you cannot specify any like value. Okay, so and one thing is that you cannot use like retain method. You have only retain all method. Okay, means you don't have any retain method in your HashSet. Okay, you have only retain all method. Okay, so like if I use this retain, so you can see it will give like obviously it will like transferring. If I just remove it, then you can see it is giving red line, right? So it is not possible. So yeah, it means that you have to use the retain all method and then you have to specify the collection, right? So what is the HS1 collection? As we can see in HS1 collection, we have 1 and 2. Okay, and this 1 and 2 is also present in our HS HashSet, right? So if you apply this method for HS HashSet, then you can see it will remove all the other elements in the HS HashSet. All the other elements is like 3, 4, 5. It will remove all these 3 elements and it will only keep this 1 and 2 element. Okay. Okay, let me just print this HS HashSet and it will, then you can see it just give all this 1 and 2 element. Okay, and all the other elements is removed. Okay, but like you are using a remove all method. Okay, and then you are specifying this collection and you just print this collection. Then you can see it will remove that HS1 elements only, means it will remove this 1 and 2 and it will keep all the other elements. Okay, like 3, 4, 5. It means it will remove all this 1 and 2. These 2 elements it will remove because you are specifying this HS1 collection, and this HS1 collection we have these 2 elements 1 and 2. Okay, and you are want to remove this 1 and 2 from HS HashSet. That's why these 2 elements are removed and only this 3, 4, 5 is left. Okay, I think it's clear. And retain all method will work totally opposites of remove all method. Okay, if you use retain all method, then it means that you are keeping only that elements and it will remove all the other elements that are not present this hs1 hash set. Okay, like here I am adding this hs1 dot add 3 also. Then you can see it will keep this 1 2 3, means this 1 2 3 will keep in hs hash, and it will remove this 4 and 5. Just run this one, then you can see it will keep this 1 2 and 3, and it will just remove this 4 and 5. Okay, because this 4 and 5 is not present in this hs1 hash set, that's why it will remove this 4 and 5. Okay, I think this method is also clear to you. So our next method is containsAll method. Okay, containsAll, it means that you have to specify here one collection, right? In this bracket you have to specify the collection reference, right? So let's try this one also. This out. Okay, let me just comment this one. Okay, now here I am using containsAll method. Okay, so hs1 dot containsAll. So contains all, it means that you have to specify one collection, because here you have this all, right? So whatever we will get this all, it means that you have to specify one collection. Okay, again specifying the collection is hs1. Okay, okay, let me just see. In this hs has set, whatever element we have 1 2 3 4 5, this first three elements is also present in hs1 has set, obviously, right? So it means that obviously this contains method will give us true. Let's see what it will give. Now it will give us true. Okay, suppose I am changing one element and writing 9, then it will give us false, because all the elements that present in hs1 has set, that total means that whole elements is not present in hs has set. That's why this contains method will give us false, because this 9 is not present in hs has set. So it means that this hs1 collection, is not present in hs has set. Okay, clear? So yeah, that's all. So our next method is toArray method. So toArray method is very simple. Basically, when you use like hs.toArray, it will give us one array of object type. Okay, object. So toArray method will give us an object type array. Okay, that's all. You can also traverse this object type array. You can use for each loop. Okay, so data type is object OARR. Okay, and then you can just like sys out O. If I just run it, then you can see it will give all the elements. Okay, and obviously it is an object type array. Okay, that is the thing that you have to remember. So our next method is clear method. The clear method is very simple. It will remove all the elements that are present in the hs hash set. If I use for hs hash set, then only, means clear method will remove all the elements in a hash set. Okay, like here I'm using this clear method for hs hash set. Okay, clear. Okay, and then if we use this like isEmpty method, then you can see now it will give us true. Why so? Because you have cleared this hs hash set. It means that you have removed all the elements in hs hash set. Okay, now you are using isEmpty method. It means that hs hash set is totally empty, means we don't have any element in this hs hash set. Okay, so now just run it, then you can see it will now give us true. Okay, I think this method is also clear to use. This clear method will clear the whole hash set. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. I hope this video is quite informative for you, and if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, and you can give me any type of suggestions that I can improve. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.